In manufacturing, warehousing, and logistics, every second counts. Your network needs to match the pace. RUCKUS AI takes the guesswork out of network management, troubleshooting capabilities by identifying network issues, prioritizing those issues by severity, and offering options for remediation. AI-driven radio resource management reduces interference by controlling each RUCKUS access point's RF operating characteristics to maintain the highest level of performance possible. From routine optimizations to real-time troubleshooting, RUCKUS AI uses AIOps to perform the everyday tasks once handled by your network admin, faster, smarter, and around the clock. With built-in business analytics, you're not just connected, you're in control. Need secure on-premise control? RUCKUS Smart Zone gives you localized network management and full data sovereignty. Want deeper network insights? Add on RUCKUS AI for secure network analytics, helping you optimize performance while keeping sensitive data policies in check. With RUCKUS, you choose the right balance of control and intelligence. RUCKUS, smart networks, smarter operations.